that is practiced in the Kutch district of Gujarat. Whereas this word rogan comes, it is actually a Persian word which means oil or varnish. जैसे हम लोग हिंदी में बोलते हैं कि रंग रोगन किया है, आप इसे रोगन भी बोल सकते हैं, इसको रोगान भी बोल सकते हैं. So whatever you want to say. तो रोगन का भी मतलब होता है डेंटिंग पेंटिंग करना, चमक दमक करना, या मतलब चमक लाना. तो इस तरह से the word rogan, it comes from Persian word, means oil or varnish, and this was the term which was adopted during the Mughal Empire. And this name Rogan suggests that this art was originated in Persia, the present day Iran, but there are no reliable records to prove this. Actually, what is the famous thing about this painting is, or this cloth painting is, that it is done only in the district, Kutch district of Gujarat, or Gujarat maybe this is, you can see it's a village called Nerona, which is approximately 40 kilometers away from Bhuj, and this is the only village where this art is still practiced. और पूरे विश्व में यही इकलौता गांव है, and that too only one family in the entire village is practicing this art. So that's why this painting is quite special and famous in terms of artistry work. And it is said that this art has been originated from पर्शिया. पर्शिया यानी कि जिसे अभी हम प्रेजेंट डे ईरान कहते हैं, तो वो जो पर्शियन एम्पायर था या पर्शिया था, वहां से ये पेंटिंग इट हैज गॉट माइग्रेटेड टू इंडिया along with the Mughals, and that's why it is said that the word rogan has come from the Persian word rogan, means oil or varnish. तो जो प्रेजेंट डे ईरान है, विच इज ऑफिशियली द इस्लामिक रिपब्लिकन ऑफ ईरान, इट इज द सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट कंट्री इन द मिडिल ईस्ट, एंड इट इज द कैपिटल एंड लार्जेस्ट सिटी ऑफ तेहरान. और एज मैनी पीपल हु, जिन्होंने इतिहास को एक विषय के रूप में पढ़ा है, अगर नहीं भी पढ़ा है, so they must be knowing that Iran is home to one of the oldest civilizations, beginning with the formation of the Elamite kingdoms in the 4th millennium BC. तो इतना ज्यादा वो पुराना है. तो पर्शिया से, या जो प्रेजेंट डे ईरान है, वहां से माइग्रेट हो करके ये आर्ट या ये कलाकृति जो है वो हिंदुस्तान में आई, और ये जो आर्टिस्ट थे वो आकर के कच्छ डिस्ट्रिक्ट के नेरोना गांव में उन्होंने अपने आप को एस्टैब्लिश किया. सो दिस इज हाउ द आर्टिस्ट दे गॉट माइग्रेटेड फ्रॉम ईरान टू इंडिया, एंड दैट टू ड्यूरिंग द मुगल पीरियड. See, this is the only one family, the Khatri family of at Nerona, which are still practicing this art, and there are total 10 or 11 members in the family who are doing this artwork. Yes, and it is also says that this art has migrated to India approximately 400 years back, and currently there is one Muslim family of Abdul Ghaffar Khatri. He is the Abdul Ghaffar Khatri, which is 8th in generation in Nerona, which still practices this art, and these people, they are the sole custodian of the surviving art form. तो ये उनका फैमिली का चित्र है. अब जब हम इस पेंटिंग की स्पेशलिटी की बात करते हैं, हम बात करेंगे कि हाउ दिस रोगान पेंटिंग गोज इन द प्रोसेस, या उसका क्या प्रोसेस होता है. तो फर्स्ट आई वुड लाइक टू टेल यू दैट रोगान पेंट इज प्रोड्यूस्ड by boiling castor oil for about 2 days, and then the vegetable pigments and the binding agent gets added to it, and as a result the paint becomes thick and shiny. And since this art is practiced all over the cloth that is generally chosen is of dark color, which makes the colors stand out. तो ये मैंने आपको कैस्टर ऑयल का इसलिए यहाँ पे एक इमेज दिखाया है, पिक्चर दिखाया है, कि जो एक्सट्रीम लेफ्ट में है, that is the plant of the castor oil, and these are the seeds जिनसे ये कैस्टर ऑयल, या हिंदी में इसको अरंडी का तेल कहते हैं. और जो स्टूडेंट साइंस के होंगे, दे मस्ट बी वेरी वेल नोइंग दैट व्हेन दे स्टडीड इन एसएससी या हाई स्कूल, उन्होंने किया होगा, तो इसका डिसेक्शन जरूर करवाया जाता था. I remember that the students, they used to go for the dissection of this arandi के बीज, उसको थोड़ा सा रात भर पानी में भिगो करके और तब उसको वो करते थे. So this is the plant of the castor oil. These are the seeds of the castor oil, and this is the castor oil. And generally castor oil is very thick in nature, and it is a vegetable oil which is pressed from castor beans. ये castor beans हैं जिससे इसको दबा करके निकाला जाता है, and generally it is a colorless to very pale yellow liquid with a distinct taste and odor. इसकी एक अजीब सी स्मेल होती है, और ये ब्राउन से लेकर के कई बार पीले रंग तक भी दिखाया जाता है। और कैस्टर ऑयल का यूज जो है वो बहुत सारी चीजों में किया जाता है। एंड दीज सीड्स, they are generally the vegetable oil that people have used, as everyone knows that it has been in use for the thousands of years, and nowadays also the people use as an additive in foods, medications, skincare products, इंडस्ट्रियल आर्ट में भी यूज किया जाता है, इंडस्ट्रियल लुब्रिकेंट के लिए भी यूज किया जाता है। इसके साथ ही साथ नेचुरल प्रोडक्ट्स या ब्यूटी प्रोडक्ट्स में भी कैस्टर ऑयल हैज बीन वाइडली यूज्ड, एंड इट इज यूज्ड टिल डेट। दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव यूज्ड द पिक्चर्स ऑफ द castor. Now the colors, and since I have told you that this painting is generally done on, not generally, it is actually done on the cloth, and that's why the artists, they take the dark color clothes in the sense कि अगर वो dark color clothes नहीं लेंगे तो फिर वो color उसमें बहुत उभर करके नहीं आएंगे। That's why they choose dark color which makes the colors stand out. Sorry. And the color powder or vegetable powder जो होता है, it is first diluted into water and then gets mixed with the castor oil. इसको जो बनाने की process होती है वो vegetable color होता है या color powder होता है, first it is gets diluted into water, उसके बाद उसको कैस्टर ऑयल में डालते हैं, उसको 2 दिन तक पकाते हैं, और उसके साथ ही साथ उसमें एक बाइंडिंग एजेंट भी डाला जाता है, बिकॉज टिल द टाइम द बाइंडिंग एजेंट इज नॉट अप्लाइड तो वो कपड़ों पर नहीं लग पाएगा। एंड द पीस ऑफ डिफरेंट कलर्स, लाइक जैसे यहाँ पे ये देखिए रेड है, येलो है, ग्रीन है, ऑरेंज कलर है, ब्लू है, व्हाइट है, जनरली दीज कलर्स आर यूज्ड फॉर द पेंटिंग, and these colors, they are generally stored in earthen pots with water to prevent them from drying up, क्योंकि बार बार ये कलर सूख ना जाए इसलिए इनको एक मिट्टी के बर्तन में रखा जाता है। And these photographs have been taken by Mr. Samir Bhatt, as I told in my previous talks also. He is a professional photographer, and he has earlier done a lot of photography of the collection whereas Kutch Museum is concerned. This is the process and technique. As I already told about the process, ki what is the process, ki wo castor oil mein usko rang ko 2 din tak pakate rehte hain, and once the castor oil is mixed with natural colors, the paste is drawn into a fine thread with a metal stylus also known as कलम। ये जो आप देख सकते हैं कि ये हाथ में इसे पकड़े हुए, इसको कलम भी कहते हैं। It's a needle sort of thing, and generally this metal needle is 6 inches thick, 6 इंचेस के आसपास उसकी मोटाई होती है, और इसी आयरन रॉड से या इस आयरन नीडल से ही ये सारी की सारी पेंटिंग की जाती है। एंड द आर्टिजन्स, दे देन प्लेस द स्मॉल अमाउंट ऑफ पेंट इनटू देयर पाम, जैसे इसमें दिखा रहा है कि वो अपनी हथेली पे इसको रखते हैं। उसके बाद the palm is then carefully twisted across the cloth into motifs and patterns using the कलम। ये देखिए इसको इस तरह से कर रहे हैं, एंड उसके बाद these are the pictures which shows that what is the step which are used in the technique of making the Rogan painting. So these are the different steps. पहला ये है, दूसरा ये है, and after then they carefully twisted across the cloth into motifs and patterns using the kalam. Next, इसके बाद का जो स्टेप है, the artisan folds the other half of the cloth, जैसे आप राइट वाले उसमें देख सकते हैं, sorry. He folds the other half of the cloth by pressing the 2 halves together, resulting the printing its mirror image. वापस से इसमें इस तरह से देखिए, अभी ये इस तरह से ओपन कर रहा है, and the finer details are then added, completing the Rogan painting. ये देखिए, ये फाइनल उसमें होकर के ये आ जाता है। Generally, the पैटर्न जो आर्टिस्ट यूज करते हैं, तो इन एंशियंट टाइम्स व्हाट द आर्टिजन्स दे वर डूइंग, दे वर यूजिंग द पर्शियन alphabets which were used as the calligraphic motifs. And now the intricate article, generally what the artisans do, they go for the intricate motifs, geometrical designs use karte hain, flowers, peacocks, creepers. They are generally used for the patterns, and these patterns are drawn from the history, folk life and flora and fauna of Kutch. क्योंकि आदमी जब भी कोई इमेजिनेशन में जाता है तो इमेजिनेशन वो उतनी ही करेगा या वहीं तक उसकी जाएगी, किसी भी आर्ट को लेकर के आएगा, चाहे वो लिटरेचर की बात हो, चाहे वो पेंटिंग की बात हो, चाहे वो स्कल्पचर की बात हो, तो जो उसने कहीं ना कहीं देखा है वही आइडिया वो अपनी सोच में लेकर के आता है और उसी आइडिया को कहीं ना कहीं वो इम्प्लीमेंट करता है, चाहे उसका कहीं पढ़ा हुआ हो, चाहे कहीं देखा हुआ हो. तो जनरली व्हाट द आर्टिस्ट आर डूइंग, दे आर टेकिंग द ज्योमेट्रिकल मोटिव्स, और ज्योमेट्रिकल मोटिव्स में भी खैर ज्योमेट्रिकल डिजाइंस तो जो भी बनाएंगे बनाएंगे, उसके अलावा दे आर टेकिंग द examples of creepers, flowers, and they are generally associated with somewhere from the Kutch, whether it's the folk life of Kutch, flora and fauna of Kutch, history of Kutch, so on. And Rogan art is very well known for its tree of life and happiness concept work, and this pattern is inspired by the traditional Persian design. इनकी एक specialized design type की होती है, उसकी slide मैंने शायद आगे रखी है, तो I'll show you later on. But they are very well known for its tree of life and happiness concept. इसमें देखिए जो भी है, they are using the so much bright colors, और कर रहे हैं, creepers को use कर रहे हैं. So generally the concept is happiness, and these are the products. The Rogan artists, they generally produce the upholstery भी वो करते हैं. For example, जैसे quilt covers हैं, cushion covers हैं, bed sheets है, table cloth, and other items like bags, stools, mobile pouches, ओढ़नीज, दुपट्टास, जैसे यहाँ पे क्या है, स्टोल है, ओढ़नी है, दुपट्टा है. These are the this is the handbag, side bag, and this is the pouch. Apart from it, they are using the file folders. These are also the examples of the bags, masks. Apart from it, they are also making the wall pieces and so on. Whereas Kutch Museum is concerned, we have the tablecloths done in the Rogan art, and we have wall pieces as well. And these products, they are so high on demand that they are also available on for sale in Amazon. तो ये लोग ऑनलाइन भी अपनी सेल करते हैं. See, this is the example of the Rogan art in Kutch Museum. The extreme left piece, it's an example of the tablecloth, जैसे इन्होंने डार्क कलर का लिया है और उसके ऊपर इन्होंने थोड़े हल्के कलर से पेंटिंग किया है. And these are the stripes, decorative stripes. इसको फ्रेम करके अपने घरों पे लगाया जा सकता है. So these are the pieces. Although there are 4 to 5 pieces, but I have included these 2. So this is the example of the Rogan art in Kutch Museum. As I already said that this is the tree life. ये जो इस तरह का pattern है, it is very famous, and our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi gifted this artwork to Mr. Barack Obama in 2014, who was the then president of US. तो उनको भी, when he visited US, he gifted this art piece to Mr. Obama. Sorry. What I would like to say that in today's time, a lot of tourists who come to Kutch, they generally make it a point to visit that Meronagram, जा करके देखें, just to see the family engrossed in creating this exceptional art. The foreigners too came to witness this art form, and although it's a rare art of its kind, it has seen a major jump in terms of popularity and sale once our Prime Minister gifted this art piece to Mr. Obama. ऐसा नहीं है कि उससे पहले ये art नहीं थी. Because since I have said that the 8th generation of this family is still engaged in making this artwork, and they migrated to India 400 years back during the Mughal time, but the popularity जो है वो चौगुनी हो गई once the Prime Minister, he had gifted this artwork to the US president. Or one more thing I would like to say that for the last 1.5 years, due to this COVID-19 pandemic, since everything has got affected, So this area is also not untouched, whereas the adversities of COVID-19 is concerned. And the bias of this art, they are generally tourists, especially the foreigners and the NRIs. And because of this lockdown, because of this COVID-19 pandemic, foreigners, yeah, NRIs, they are not generally coming to uh, going for the tourism. And this art has seen a great setback in terms of sale. And because of the lockdown, the sale has gone almost on to zero. And although these artisans, they have kept their work on sale online also, जैसे कि Amazon वगैरह में रखा है उन्होंने, but generally what happens is that people do not understand the significance of the artworks online. Normally when a tourist goes and visit the Nerona, तो artisans जो हैं, artists जो हैं, what generally they do, they give a demo of the preparations of this art की किस तरह से की जाती है, and which makes the tourists understand about their hard work, the speciality of the artwork, the tedious job behind, and the significance which is not possible online. तो ऑनलाइन में आपको किसी को अगर समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कोई आर्ट वर्क, तो जनरली दे विल नॉट परचेज इट रैंडमली कि अच्छा लग रहा है, ये एस्थेटिक अपील बहुत ज्यादा है, तो पीपल डू नॉट अंडरस्टैंड द सिग्निफिकेंस एंड दे विल नॉट बाय इट ऑफ कोर्स. So once they understand the significance, once they understand what sort of effort has been made, then only they can buy anything, not only this artwork. तभी वो उसका कुछ उन्हें significance लगेगा, then only they can purchase this. And the only Khatri family in जो Nerona में है, they have won several national and state level awards for their mastery in Nerona work, and they are also trying to maintain and take this legacy forward. Because अगर एक family है, there's only one family in Nerona which is still practicing this art, so it becomes their moral responsibility also to take forward this carry forward this legacy. And they are also doing the same thing, they are teaching this art to the young generation in order to preserve it, because it becomes a moral responsibility towards the society to forward it to the next generation in a best possible manner, ताकि किसी की वजह से आज वो survive हुई और उनकी वजह से ये future में ये art survive हो सके. So today's talk was based on this Nerona art. Thank you so much.
Make sure you like, share, and follow us at Museums of Gujarat on Facebook and YouTube. And remember to press the notification button on YouTube to be notified whenever we post a new video.